Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this channel I will explain the new Plotagon, and I want to show you how to master Plotagon. You can create any animation video easily in Plotagon. You can get it on iOS or on Android. So the first thing you have to do is download the software, and then after that you can create the video by clicking create video, and this one is the previous project. Click create video, and you will see this is play button. If you want to look what you create, and for this one is an event. Street market. Okay, so you can change the street market, the event, by clicking this, and you can choose any of this event, this place, this location. But if you download it and not subscribe or buy the ticket from silver, bronze and golden, you only can use the free location like this. Okay, and there is a bunch of location you can choose if you buy the golden ticket like this. And after that you can choose your characters. You can create character by clicking create character, and you can edit the character by clicking this pencil. And after that you can edit your hat character, your hair character, your mustache, your eye character, your shirt, your item, and your shoes. Okay, and then click the character, like this, and you can see this is character, and you can choose the location of the character like this, behind the desk, in here, on the desk, in here, scooter or stool. Okay, next I want to explain you about filter. So this filter, you can choose the color for the video, the color grading like black and white, sepia, blur, bloom, 70s, or vignette. And in this is the camera icon. You can click this, you can choose if this is the important event. You can click establishing shot or moving right to the dash, or you can choose still, and you can playback this. Next one, this is event. This one, okay, this is the new event, the new scene. If you want to delete, you can click this one, the three dot, and click X, and it will delete your event. Next, this is the chat event. You can choose the emotion of the character, and you can write like this. This is for voice recording. You can capture your voice by clicking this mic icon. This is to play your voice that is recorded, and if you have recorded, you can click this yes icon. Okay, next, this is the settings about the character, the volume and the pitch. And this one is a fade black or white or pixelated. There is fade in, fade out. And this is the camera. You can close up or make it farther, and click done. Okay, next, choose the second character. Okay, this one is the sound effects, and this one is the music. music stop. Okay, you can set the volume, and the last one is the text. Okay, we can write like this, and you can edit the adjustment, text line, by clicking this one, and this one. Next, you can change the color text like this one. Next, again, this is the color of the text, background text, or you can change to transparent. This one, the volume, and done. Next, if you change the scene like this one, you can click this one and click this one. Here, this is an action. There is Kara's Eskimo Kiss High Five. You can see. Okay, like that. After you finish the project, you can export by clicking this one. Click here. Click Save Video. You can export with subtitles, or you can export without subtitles, and click, and it will render until it finishes. Done. You can share by clicking share, or you can see on your gallery. That's the simple one. I hope this tutorial can make you a master of Plotagon. See you on the next video.